So in this session, we'll learn about the Mule domain project and how to reference its configuration in Mule project. Okay. So generally, what we do, we click on file, then new, then the Mule project. Okay. But for this demo, we'll be selecting the Mule demo domain project because in the domain project, we'll be creating the configuration first, then we'll be referencing it in the Mule project. Okay. One more thing you can notice here, this Mule project icon and Mule domain project icons are same, but the colors are different. Okay, so based on it, you can differentiate between the Mule domain project and Mule project. So now click on this Mule domain project, give it a name called as global hyphen domain. Okay, I'm creating this domain project. Cancel. Yes. Okay. So you can see this particular mule domain project config XML doesn't have the message flow. It is only having global elements and configuration XML. Okay. So it doesn't have the message flow. That means you cannot write the logic here or you cannot design the flow here, right? So in the mule palette also you don't see anything available. Okay. If you go to pom.xml, here also go to source and in the dependency there is nothing here. By default, when you create the mule project, the listener http modules are being added, right, by default, but here there is nothing. Okay, whatever you want you need to add it by yourself. Okay. Now click on the manage modules, then click on the plus icon. But for Windows you will be getting a add modules icon in the left right hand side of the screen. Okay, click on this plus icon from exchange and here search for HTTP. Okay, for now we'll be creating the HTTP configuration only. We'll be doing it in the this global domain, but for you, if you want the database or something, that also you should do it in the domain only. Okay, I'm clicking. We should click the finish button, but let's see if database is available as well. Okay, for you, if you want the database connector as well, you wanted to do the configuration in the global level in the global domain project, you can do that one. Okay, for now we'll be having the HTTP connector. Click on finish, click on apply, then apply change. Okay, now if you notice in the form.xml, if you go to the dependencies, you can see the HTTP socket and socket connector and HTTP connector have been added. Okay, great. So now what we do, click on the create button like we do it in the flow global flow configuration, right? So you need to please search for listener. You can see HTTP listener config. Click OK. I'm keeping everything as it is because this port is available because I'm not running any project in this particular port. So click on OK. Okay. So save it. Now our configuration is ready. Minimize it. Now we need to create reference it, right? So go to flow file, new mule project, and we'll give it a name as hello world. Okay, and we'll be clicking finish. Now to utilize this global domain configuration in this particular project, hello world project, you should reference it. Okay, so right click on this hello world project, go to properties and click on this mule project, and you can see the domain is selected as default. By default we will select the default domain, but it has nothing. Okay, so select the drop down, you will be able to see your domain that you have created. Okay, I'm selecting global domain, then I'm doing apply and close. Done. So now if you go to XML and you drag and drop the listener, and if you see the connection configuration that we did it in the global domain, it is available here. So what we'll do, slash hello world. Okay, now you can save it. If you want any logger or something, you can do that one as well. Okay, deployment, not in deployment, logger. I am logging the payload. Okay, great. Now we need to deploy this particular project. Right click, load, Okay, run the project hello world. It is initializing the project. So you can see global domain project is compiled. So whenever you will be, if this is referenced from any global domain, when you do the when you run this hello world project, it will compile the global domain project as well, and it will run it along with this hello world project, right? Otherwise how it will work, because this is dependent on the domain project, right? Global domain project, so it will be deployed along with it. So let's wait for some time. You can see application is hello world, domain is global domain, status is both of them are deployed. Okay, so now go to uh, this one, hello world. We'll be calling hello mule, and we'll do the send. Okay, and you can see the hi mule is printed over here. So that's all. You can, this way you can create a global domain. There you can create the, do the configuration for everything like database or any properties file or something, whatever it is, do it in global domain project, and then reference it in your flow service. One more, this is not flow service, this is mule project. Okay, so one more thing you should aware that this global domain project, whenever you are doing the deployment in a standalone runtime, this global domain project needs to be deployed, and then your flow, this mule flows needs to be deployed, right? And this global domain project will be deployed in our, I'll show that one. There is a folder called as global domain. Uh, you can see here there is a domains. Here you need to copy the file, and then for the application actual mule flow, you need to put it in the apps folder. Okay, that's all. Thank you.